Hello everybody, so in front of me I have Google Pixel 6a smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Let me just enter the main page. At the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can simply launch the Opera. While opening the application for the first time, it is required that you undergo the simple setup procedure. So firstly, choose whether some of the options this browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip and leave the configuration process of those options for later. I'll personally enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Lastly, this page allows you to customize the permissions and accesses that you would like to grant to Opera, or simply you can also choose the allow option and grant everything that Opera needs. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.